Hi friends, today I am making this video on the request of a friend who wants to know how to calculate square root and cube root of a large number. I guess he wants to know about the shortcut method for this. The method that we are going to learn here is the most convenient method for this, but apart from this, some other methods are present as well, which we will learn gradually. In this video, we will be learning the shortcut method for calculating the square root of perfect square, and in our upcoming videos, we will learn same for non-perfect square and cube roots. So friends, let's start. Perfect square are the number of which if you take the square root, the result won't come to be like fractions. Result won't come as 8 by 9 or 8.77 or something like 4.27 or something like that. That means result has to be integers. That is 8 or 7 or minus 2 or minus 4, etc. Next thing you have to know is the squares of the numbers from 1 to 9. That is 1 square is equal 1, 2 square is equal 4, 3 square is equal 9, and so on. Here the unit digit is 1, here 4, then 9, here the unit digit is 6, and then 5, and so on, and at last you can see unit digit is 1. Now square root of 81 is 9. Similarly, square root of 64 is 8, and square root of 49 is 7, and so on. Square root of 1 will be always 1. So you can see whenever the unit digit of a number is 1, the square root will be either 1 or 9. That is, if your unit digit is 1 and here also unit digit 1, whenever this unit digit is 1, square root will always be 1 or 9. Similarly, whenever unit digit of a number is 4, or here also you can see unit digit is 4, then the square root will unit digit of square root will be either 2 or 8. And similarly, when unit digit of a number is 9, then here 9 and here also 9, then square root will be 3 or 7, and so on. For 6 also you can see unit digit is 6 and square root is 4. If unit digit is 5, then unit digit of square root can only be 5. I am taking a perfect square which ends in 4, that is unit digit of the number is 4. First, what I will do, we will make two parts, that is two groups. How we will make the group? We will take two numbers from the right side. This is our right side, this is left side. We will take two numbers from this side, that is 1, 2. By these two numbers we will make one group, the first group, or from the remaining part, take this in other group. Group 2. So see, in group 1 the unit digit is 4. So we already have learned that whenever in a perfect square the unit digit is 4, then the unit digit of square root must be 2 or 8. So here we have two possibilities. The unit digit may have 2 or 8. Now how to know exactly what will come in the unit digit? 2 will come or 8 will come. To know this, what we will do, we will go for group 2, that is 17. Now see, 17 lies between which perfect square? If you can see, 17 lies between 16 and 25. You must take two consecutive squares. These two are 4 and 5 are two consecutive numbers of which we are taking the squares. That is, 16 lies between 4 square and 5 square. So we will directly write 4 here. Next, you will see, if I take 4 is equal n and 5 is equal n plus 1, we will multiply these two numbers. 4 into 5 is equal 20. Now check, 20 is greater than 17 or less than 17. If 20 is greater than 17 or 17 is less than 20, if this number is less than this number, that you will take the lesser number, that is 2, and write to here. And your answer is 42. Take another one, which is 2304, that is 2304. Here, first what we will do, we will group in two parts. How we will group is, we will take two numbers from right and make the first group, and the remaining will be in the second group. Here, the unit digit is again 4, so two possibilities is here. Thus, in square root, that in unit digit 2 may come and again 8 may come. So two possibilities, 2 and 8. Now we will check 23 lies between which two squares, which two consecutive squares. That is, see here's in 4 square is equal to 16 and 5 square is equal to 25, and 23 lies between 4 square and 5 square again. 4 square and 5 square. Now what we'll do, we will multiply 4 and 5 and the result is 20. 23 is always greater than 20. See, whenever this number is greater than this number, we will take the larger one. That is 8. Firstly, we got 4 and we will take the larger number. That is, the result is 48. So friends, it's time for the question of the day. The question is, find the square root of number 1, 2401, and then number 2, 1225. You have to do these two questions at home and check the results. So friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked my video, then share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.